These are the best, easy, no-bake chocolate granola bars. We are making these at home today with simple ingredients. My kids love them. Your kids will love them. I will link the recipe in the description box. Here we go. First, you start with melting your butter. Once the butter is melted, you can add in your brown sugar. And then here, I'm just going to stir it until our butter is completely melted. The next thing you're going to do is add in your honey. I have my honey measured out. We're adding in 2/3 cup of honey here. It makes it a lot easier to just add in your cocoa powder here since we're making chocolate granola bars. So I just add this to the wet ingredients and we're just going to stir it and mix it nice and thoroughly. We just want to see everything kind of come to a nice bubble. This usually takes a couple of minutes, and then we have Princess Ava right here just helping out in the kitchen. Typically, one of the kiddos at least is in the kitchen with me. Alright, and then here's our wet ingredients. It came to a nice boil. We can turn off the heat and add in a splash of vanilla. Here I have measured out 3 cups of oats, 3 cups of the rice cereal, and then some ground flaxseed also. And then we just basically want to fold this in until all of the wet and all of the dry ingredients are combined. Looks like it's just about done here, so we just want to keep stirring everything. And then I had a couple of parchment papers already cut out, so here I'm just adding the granola to the baking dish with parchment paper. It just makes it for easier cleanup. You don't have to use parchment paper. So here everything's nice and even, and then I find it just a lot easier to just press everything down with a separate piece of parchment paper. And then we're gonna add in our chocolate chips because chocolate chips make everything better. And here's Miss Ava again, just helping out, putting her hand in the flaxseed. Here's our chocolate chips, and then we're just going to press this down one more time with a parchment paper, just to make sure everything sticks in. And that's basically it. Now we just throw this in the refrigerator, and there's me just, you know, have to taste whatever's left on the spoon to make sure it's good. After it's gone in the refrigerator for at least an hour, we can cut all the granola bars into pieces and let everybody dig in. These can last a couple of days or however long they'll last in your house. In my house, they don't last very long. And here's the boys just having their granola bars, and thanks for watching. Hopefully you make these and see how delicious they are.